Hello everyone, this is the fifth class on kinematics and today hopefully we will be completing the relative velocity. Okay, so what part is left? Riemann quotients. Let us first understand what Riemann quotients really are. Okay, so we will take HC Verma later. And this is very much practical if a man is moving at a velocity of Vm. Okay, so you can try it, whenever the rain happens. If the rain is falling like this and a man is going like this, the rain he will experience the rain to be coming like this. Sometimes it pinches on the face, sometimes it pinches on the face. You can experience this. Whatever is the previous positioning of the rain, whatever the previous way it was coming, it will come nearer to the man. If it is coming like this and man is moving like this, it may appear to come like this or it may appear to come like this. It will be closer. Okay, this is the funda. And why it happens, let us see. If VR is like this, velocity of rain, velocity of man is like this, VRM, that is velocity of rain with respect to man, that will be VR minus Vm by formula, and this can be VR plus minus Vm. This we can write, that means addition of VR and minus Vm. VR is like this and minus Vm is like this, because Vm was like this. So the resultant can be here, it can be here, it can be here, but it will be closer to the previous positioning, previous direction. Yes, this is the funda. Okay, man is going like this and rain is falling like this. So the man may experience the rain to be coming like this. He may feel little pinch on the face. You can experience it. You must have experienced it till now. Okay, and if the rain was coming like this, VR, man is moving like this, then VR minus Vm, it will come like this, VRM. Okay, this is the funda. Now what you have to do? You have to simply solve vectors. We know the formula of vectors that we have studied in the vectors class. If A is like this, B is like this, and resultant is here, this angle is theta, this angle is alpha, we can write R is equal to under root A square B square 2AB cos theta. Similarly, tan alpha is equal to B sin theta upon A plus B cos theta. So these are the two formulas. This is only what I will do now. Okay, the funda was clear and the formulas are clear. This is the application and we will apply these in two questions of HC Verma. I am erasing this. We have already studied the thief, police quotients, swimmer quotients and such problems, and this is the next step. So let us take HC Verma. Do not see the solution, just understand. Example number 18. Man was standing. So a man is standing on road, has to hold his umbrella at 30 degree. At 30 degree he has to hold the umbrella because of course rain was coming like this. 30 degree with the vertical. 30 degree with the vertical he has to hold the umbrella. Okay. He throws the umbrella and starts running. He says, let us enjoy the rain. And he must be singing the song Tip Tip Barsa Pani, whatever. So he's enjoying the rain, 10 km per hour, he's running. And he finds the raindrops now falling vertically. He's amazed why this is happening. Okay. Now we have to find the speed of raindrops with respect to road and with respect to moving man. This is the question. So very simple. VR is like this. VR. This angle is 30 degree. Minus Vm. And the resultant is in this direction. Resultant is in this direction. Okay. So if I consider, I hope this diagram is clear. This diagram is only what is important in this question. So VR, I do not write minus here. Minus is just for direction. So this angle is 90, which is alpha. This is A, this is B. We'll write tan 90 is equal to B sin theta, complete angle. Complete angle upon A plus B cos theta. Tan 90 is 1 by 0. Let us take the denominator will be 0. So VR sin 90 plus theta is cos 90 plus theta VR sin theta minus. Okay, and this is equal to 0. VR comes out to be 20 km per hour because sin theta is 1 by 2. So VR is 20, which is the actual velocity of rain. That means with respect to road. And this is the answer. This is the actual velocity of rain. How do you find the velocity of rain with respect to man VRM? Resultant of both. You can apply the formula. Okay, I think very simple. It is very simple. I hope the question is clear. I am erasing it. Let us take another similar question. So before I do it, you can try without seeing the solution. Example number 19. Pause the video and you can try. So question is, man is running at 8 km per hour. He finds the raindrops to be falling vertically. He increases the speed to 12 km per hour, and now he finds the raindrops at 30 degree with the vertical. Since he is running faster, 30 degree will be this side only, because I told you that rain will come closer. This is VRM. This is VRM. So 30 degree here. This will be what he will experience. Okay. And actually rain would be coming like this. That's why when he ran, it appeared closer. So the rain must be coming like this. When he ran, it appeared like this. When he ran faster, it came closer at 30 degree. So this is the question. We have to find the speed and direction of rain with respect to road. That means theta and V. Theta and VR we have to find. Okay. So two diagrams will form. VR minus VM. Resultant is this. Second diagram is VR minus VM, and the resultant was like this. As simple as that. So again tan 90. We'll consider this as A, this as B. Tan 90 is equal to B sin theta, complete angle, upon A plus B cos theta. Simple. Here alpha is 60 degree. Alpha is the angle between A and R. This we have studied in the vectors class. Tan 60 is equal to B sin theta. Complete angle is 90 plus theta upon A plus B cos 90 plus theta. Simple. Again the denominator becomes 0. So sin 90 plus theta is, we'll write VR sin theta is equal to 8. Cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. Okay. So we'll use it here. This is root 3 VR cos theta upon 12 plus. So this becomes minus VR sin theta, that means minus 8. So from here we will get VR cos theta is equal to 4 root 3. So we have two things. VR sin theta 8, VR cos theta 4 root 3. We divide both. We will get tan theta is equal to 2 by root 3. If we square both and add, sin square plus cos square becomes 1, and we will get VR square is equal to 64 plus 48. How much? 112. So VR becomes this much kilometer per hour. So let us check the answers. So yeah, these are the answers. Yeah, this is the answer, right? So these are the two questions that we have done. Okay, we have already studied the thief, police question and the riverman question. This is the rainman question. And another thing is system of particles. I am erasing it. If you have any problems, write in the comments. We will see. Very simple. You just had to solve vectors. That's it. Basic funda is clear. After that, you just had to solve vectors. So we will take up system of particles. System of particles. Suppose there are 3 particles and each of them is moving towards the other particle with the same speed v. So I am standing and there is another person, there is another person. My thing is with him, his thing is with him, and his thing is with me. So I will always chase that person, not that location. I will chase that person will chase that person, and we will move. So once he starts moving, I will change my direction to him. So finally everyone will meet at the centroid due to symmetry. When these two will meet, this will automatically meet because there is symmetry. Let us take two particles, V and V. Since it is an equilateral triangle, this is 60 degree. Let us resolve V cos 60 and V sin 60. Now to cover this distance, this is helping, how much will be the time? Distance upon speed. V plus V by 2 both contributed. The answer is 2D by 3V. Okay, dimensionally also it is correct. This is also an example in HC Verma. Very simple. So that is how it has to be done. Similarly, I am raising it. You can take any question like this. If there are 4 particles in a square. Each one is moving towards the other with the speed v. Now to cover this distance, when these two will meet, all the 4 will meet because of symmetry. So let us take these 2 particles. To cover this distance only this does not help because it is perpendicular. Yeah. So time becomes distance by speed, that's it. In this much time they will meet. So I will take another example. So let us take 6 particles in hexagon. You can take any number of particles. The concept must be clear. So they are moving towards each other. And since it is an hexagon, this angle will be 60 degree. 360 by 6 sides. And since due to symmetry this is equal to this angle becomes equal to this angle. So each angle becomes 60 degree. This is also 60, this is also 60 because complete angle is 180. So let us again take 2 particles. If we resolve, this becomes V cos theta, this becomes V. Now to cover this distance, it helped and it opposed. It increased the distance, yeah. So time becomes distance upon speed V minus V by 2. Answer is 2D by V. In this much time they will meet. So in this much time they will meet. So I am erasing this. So this is the complete chapter. This is the complete chapter. We have studied the basics, all the equations, then we studied the graphs, then we studied projectile motion and then relative velocity. 4 cases that we have studied, and we will take 1-2 more questions, and that's it. After that you just have to practice questions, practice 100 questions of kinematics, and it will become crystal clear. Very simple topic, and it is used everywhere in whole 11th and 12th. So let us take some questions from HC1. Okay. So this question also came in IIT. I don't remember the year, but yes, this question came in IIT. So there are 2 pulleys and there is a mass, and each one is being pulled with a velocity v. At any instant, this is an angle theta. It will go up with some speed. We have to calculate the speed. Now how do you solve it? This is a constraint type of question, and with the use of derivatives you solve it. So if you do not know anything about derivatives and you want to study really, so for basic we can take another class. You have to write in the comments, then only I will take the class. Just write what really you face problem in, because see, calculus is a very big topic. So I cannot teach a very big topic just in a one class. But whatever you are facing problem in, tell me in the comments. I will take class on that. At any instant let this be x. At any instant let this be y. At any instant let this be z. So at any instant I can write x square plus y square is equal to z square. Pythagoras theorem. If we do the derivative of this, derivative of x square is 0. Because it is constant. If it will come up, this will not change. Derivative of y square is 2y dy by dt. And derivative of z square is 2z dz by dt. So dy by dt is the rate of change of y, that is your minus u, because it is decreasing. Yes. Z by y, 2 gets cancelled, into dz by t. That means minus v, the rate with which it is decreasing. Now y upon z becomes cos theta. It becomes cos theta. That's it. The question is finished. U is equal to Vy cos theta. Constraint type of question. Constraint type of question. Okay, we have done the derivative and we have got the answer. That's it. As simple as that. So this was a different type of problem other than what we have already studied for kinematics. So that's why I discussed it. Otherwise, I don't think there will be any problem in kinematics. You can do all the questions. We have done selected questions from HCV, and 1-2 more questions are good from it, but do it. Do it. If you face problems, then let me know. We will discuss. Now what you have to do for NEET students, practice 50 to 100 questions from MTG NEET Guide, then practice your MTG 30 years. That's it. Now this topic is complete, move to the next topic. For engineering students, you can similarly do 50 to 100 questions from books like Arihant DC Pandey, Objective 1, you can do from that. Or maybe you can use MTG Champion for IIT JEE. All these kind of books you can use. After that, 40 years. Okay, so once you do it, 40 years, Arihant 40 years, very very important. So previous year IIT JEE questions, once you do it, you will yourself feel so confident. And if you face any problem, let me know. And finally, share this video with all your friends, whosoever needs such videos so that their enhancement can be done. There must be many people who are not able to go to coaching, not able to afford them, so it will help them. So we'll meet in the next class, and we will either do some IIT JEE questions or we'll do 12 electrostats. So we'll see. Okay, thank you so much. We'll meet in the next class.